Okay, so let's talk about a nice simple one. Feeling and wanting. Feeling. Oh, feeling and wanting. Oh, wanting. So, we could say simply like. I like to. I like to. I like to read. I like to learn. I like to exercise. I like to walk. I like to drive. In fact, I love driving. I love driving. I love driving. How cool is that? I like writing. Yes, well, love again, but okay, I like marshmallows. Chocolate, yeah, I like chocolate. Yeah, okay. Well, we could invert it. Invert the question. I don't like. Don't. Or do not. I do not like marshmallows. I don't like driving. Well, I don't like driving. I don't love crisps. I don't love cake. And then need, like must have. Must have. Must have. I need it really badly. It's very important. Need it. I need to record my lesson. I need to plan my lesson. Record. Plan. I need to relax. Need to exercise. Exercise. I need to all sorts. Buy more pens. Buy more pens. Pens. Makes sense? And prefer. Like prefer, you have two options. Which one? Both really good. I like and need them both. But I like this one slightly more. Slightly more. I prefer it. I prefer not to. I prefer to go that way. Which do you prefer? Which do you prefer? Black or red? I prefer red ever so slightly more. Because I can use it when I am recording. I prefer to use black when I write the lesson. Yeah. But when I'm recording, I prefer to use red. And in the future, I'll use like green and blue. But not yet. I prefer to use these two first. Very good. Prefer, like you got a choice. And you like this thing more than that thing, a bit more that thing, yeah. I prefer standing. I could record my lesson on the desktop, on the laptop with a camera, a webcam, but I prefer the whiteboard, especially because I have so many pens I need to use. I need to use up all the ink. And I like using the whiteboard because it's more professional. It's more authentic. It's handwriting as opposed to me just telling you stuff on the computer with a screen. So no, this is more authentic, more real, more beautiful. How cool is that? And want. Want. I want to record this course. I want to record 100 English courses. I want to I want to do a lot. I want to travel. Well, it's a mix of want / need, but I need to travel. I want to go to... I want and need to learn more Spanish. I want to record more lessons. I want to always be creating videos, creating courses. I want to be always learning. I need to be learning. I need to plan my time because I want to relax. So I need to do all the work first, and then I can relax because I want to relax. How cool is that? So, like, love, need, prefer, a little more prefer, and want, want. How cool is that? Let's keep going, language explorers. Let's keep going.